next few days. Now, what sunny skies we had even in the south through today have tended to disappear under a huge veil of cloud that's been moving in, bringing with it this rain, as you can see, not only over the north, over Scotland, but increasingly it pushed its way down through eastern areas of England, right down through now towards the south coast. That's tied in with this weather front here. If we get a little bit closer in, we can see what's likely to happen overnight. Well, this area of rain looks like it will move out of the way. We're going to see another weather front pushing its way down across parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland. Eventually the high pressure we have with us will begin to break this up, but we'll see some amounts of rain moving down across Scotland and occasionally some rain in Northern Ireland overnight. But by the end of the night, it looks as if most of the cloudiest weather with the low cloud, the drizzle and the rain will be around some of these western coastal hills, with many sheltered eastern spots, though still quite cloudy, for the most part dry. Now, the breeze will begin to ease off. It's been quite blustery in some areas today, but it will continue to come from the southwest, so a really mild night in prospect, much milder than those nights we've seen recently, probably the lowest temperature anywhere, only around 6 or 7 Celsius. And now, looking ahead to tomorrow, we can see that we are going to have a weather front close by. That will begin to bring some changes in again across Scotland during the daytime. Now, most areas are going to start out cloudy, maybe even fairly grey for tomorrow morning. One exception may well be eastern Scotland, where we can probably expect some dry and even bright weather in the morning. But the cloud will gather. We're going to see some wet weather moving in across western Scotland during the morning. And then later in the day, we'll see at least a little rain arriving over eastern and southern areas of Scotland, perhaps also just fringing into the extreme northern counties of England there. Northern Ireland looks like it'll stay quite cloudy through the day with drizzle and rain on and off. And as for most of England and Wales, the cloudiest skies out in the west with drizzle, inland becoming brighter during the day and perhaps even quite warm even for Friday. Through the weekend, that big high pressure begins to take over. Warm weather by the look of it even into Sunday for many areas. Bright for many as well. Most of the cloudy weather moving up here around the west. I think we